I'm so happy to see this. When ma'am comes now, you start doing this also. Okay, very, very good. I'm so happy to see that.
Teacher, screen has gone.
I
And
know,
screen has gone.
I know. No need of shouting.
टीचर मेरा बोला तो सुन नहीं.
Okay, now pay attention. And next third period, ma'am
Ma'am.
is going to come. Yes, it's there now.
Yes.
Okay, come on, right. Those who have joined now, I think so. Siddharth and Anushka, somebody write it here in your English notebook. Lesson 1 Olympics meaning refer to the textbook, page 1 to 3, question and answer in the textbook, and then start writing this. See question. If you haven't written the first 2 lines, leave 2 lines and go on writing this with the class. Chalo, hurry up, say and write. Now, up to 9:30, this should get over. Have a habit of writing quickly in time. Otherwise, you will not be able to write big, big papers. 80 marks paper. Understand? Come on. Question number
Sir,
C.
the two
Answer the
times are
following.
there.
Where were the first Olympic Games held? Answer. The first Olympic Games were held at Olympia in Greece in 776 BCE. Hurry up.
After teacher, after the period, please send me that
PD.
lesson to Brian and Nancy.
I'll see. You ask some friend in because my mobile is all full. I don't have the PDFs here because I keep on taking your PDFs na. Okay, don't worry. Now you complete this. Right.
ए मम्मी, माझ्या शर्टाच्या खिशात आहे ना, ते माझी लिस्ट आहे ह्याची.
Hey, who is there? Who is talking?
काय काय
At whose place someone is talking? बाप रे. किती पण सांगितलं तुम्ही कसं रे मुलं समजत नाही. तुम्ही म्यूट करा तुमचा ऑडिओ. कशी बोलता तुम्ही सरळच्या सरळ तिकडनं. Yes. Anushka, don't talk. So, please go on writing now. Don't talk. How were the victors crowned? The victors of these early games were crowned with the wreaths. Wreaths means a band from a sacred olive tree that grew behind the temple of Zeus. Hurry up, complete it fast. Okay, finish. Second one is over. Say and write. Children, reds means what? Band. Reds means what? Band. Okay. And what type of band they used to be given? Olive tree that grew behind the temple of Zeus. Okay.
Religions.
Aniruddha, don't talk.
काय तर बोलते कपात त्या
Siddharth, please don't talk.
मी नोबिता सारखं खातोय.
Why are you talking now? You're only writing. Say and write. No other thing should happen there. Chalo, question number 3 now. Why these children are not joining correctly? I don't know. Some net issue is there, Pranita? Rajvardhan? Is there any net issue?
Teacher,
Yes,
net is troubling.
I know. Net is only tumbling, na children? See, and please join in time, huh, children? Start little early.
पिलूला खायचं
Siddharth, why are you talking? Simply go on writing. Say and write. Okay, now third one. Chalo, hurry up, write fast. It should get over before 9:30. Have a habit of writing in time. Say and write. Are you all saying and writing?
Yes,
Very good.
of the degrees.
दादा मला पाहिजे.
What was the prime importance of the Greeks? Prime means most important. Athletics were of prime importance to the Greeks. Athletics, say the spelling 3 times and write.
Tomorrow lecture is
Athletics were of prime importance to Greeks.
lecture. आजचं लेक्चर छोट्या दीदीत माझी काल चॅटिंग चाललेली रात्री.
Siddharth, are you writing or talking, Siddharth?
Answer कुणी स्वतः fourth. Question number 4. What is
So I'm saying mind. Prime means the most important thing for them was athletics, okay? What is next one, fourth one? What is the purpose of the Olympics? The purpose of the Olympic game is to foster the ideal of a sound mind in a sound body and to promote friendship among nations. What should be our ideal our body and mind should be sound. That we must foster, means force करायचं, त्याच्यात आपल्याला बनवायचं शरीरात. Okay, the purpose of the Olympic game, this word meaning and all, everything we have discussed during with the lesson. I am just talking out with you when you all are writing this part. What is the ideal
How
thing
are
for
you
everyone?
all? I am fine.
Are you all listening?
Jagriman.
Ideal means the way it should be. Ideal means the way it should be. How it should be? We should have a sound mind and sound body, right? So that was the purpose of Olympic game.
Yes. Hi. Yes. Hi.
Who is talking there backside? Why are you talking?
Hi. Yes. Yes, me, I am fine. Sound body.
Have you understood the meaning of this? The
Yeah,
ideal of means how it should be. How we should
I
be
am fine.
Listen, Siddharth. It should be, we should be with sound mind and sound body, correct? Isha, what happened? Isha, Prapti, again and again your net is going off or what?
Yeah.
Understood about the sound mind and sound body, the ideal, it should be like that. Ideal means it should be like this. How? It should have the sound body and sound mind. And to promote the friendship among the nation. So this was their motto. This they wanted to have. And so the game was played. Name the colors used in the Olympic symbol. The colors used in the Olympic symbol are blue, yellow, black, green, and red over a white field. Say and write. Before you all go, before you all complete, 60% part should be ready. Why I am saying 60%? Because there are a few new, not new words, but spellings which you should learn properly. When you are writing the answers, all the spelling should be written correctly.
पुढीच्या हाताच्या लावले तू हात धुणे गदड.
Who is talking there? Everyone is completing the work. I'll open this and I want to see your work. Huh? I'll stop sharing and then you show me your work. You all can keep your books immediately up on the videos. I can go through it. Today's work. After 2 minutes, I'm going to stop the share part.
Of the Olympic game is so foster. Ma'am,
What happened?
Ma'am, I am talking Ananya Mate, roll number 2.
Yes, say Ananya.
Ma'am,
say.
I couldn't. Ma'am, will you take for the first question? I was not able to connect because there was some network issue.
Okay, fine. Look here, child. You will leave first on the first line. You will write the lesson name. Lesson 1, book 2, Olympics. Okay. Then leave 2 lines because you have to write this also. These 2 lines you have to write. So first you leave the 2 lines. I'll send you this. Okay. I'll send you the slide on the mobile. But till that time you can start completing your work. Okay. You write this lesson 1 Olympics. 2 lines you leave and start writing this. So that the slide is up. Everyone will complete the work.
Yellow. Yellow. Mother. Color. Black. PLC. Ideal of green. 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 My work is finished.
So good. Now start learning the spellings. Hard words.
Teacher, write B1 also.
No, B1 you don't have to write here. It is done in the textbook, no? So you write this only. Now, I said you write like this, meaning refer to the textbook, and question number A, B solved in the textbook. But these 2 lines you can write afterwards. Now you be with the class and write this, okay? Because
Teacher,
others are
my
also
work
writing
is
this.
finished.
Who is saying that? Very good, child. Now you start learning the spellings.
Yes.
Olympia, Greece, all these spellings. Reth means
Yes.
means band. Okay, importance, athletics,
Yes.
everything. Start learning the spellings. Don't waste your time.
Yes.
हे चालू सांगा
खाल्लं का तू पिल्लू
काय
भूक लागल्यावर बिस्किट घेऊन खा.
Don't eat during the lecture time. Why are you eating during lecture time? How will you pay attention?
हे done speaking done speaking
Siddharth, today you're continuously talking, huh?
माझा गेला. स्वतःची भाषा
Chalo, complete it and start learning the spellings. It's going to end within some time. Ananya, I'm going to send the slide on the WhatsApp group.
21.
What, child? 3-4 minutes are there. Learn spellings. Don't waste a single minute. Importance. See the spellings. You know the meaning, you know this word, but spellings you need to be little, more careful. Learn properly.
Teacher, can I complete lesson to Brian and Nancy?
Yes. Do you have the question and answers now?
Yes, I have found it.
Fine, then start completing. But why didn't you write?
That I didn't found in the group.
But in the same, when the work is given, you should complete it. And many a times I write it in 2 days. If too much of class work is there, isn't it? So just keep that in mind. Everything is written, given.
Yes.
Okay, good boy. Chalo, complete it. Ideal, IDEAL. Children, like this, 3 spellings are there. About that, I'll speak to you after. Don't shout, child. Don't shout. Okay, so like this, ideal means the way it should be. जसं पाहिजे तसं. Then how we should be? We should have a sound mind, sound body. Okay. And promote friendship among nations.
My work is finished.
Yes, good, good. Hey, after you finish, no, you start learning spellings. I said, why are you shouting? I am going to send a slide. Those who haven't written any part, like Ananya joined late, few children are not getting, the net, some access is problem. So I am sending it to you. You can complete that part, okay? If anything is left.
Teacher, my work is finished.
Shreyas, very good. Very good, Shreyas. Start learning spellings. It's going to stop, children. Don't worry. The work I have sent to you, if incomplete, complete it now. Don't get up. Otherwise, it will lag behind or you won't write. And then it's there in the exam. This lesson is there.
Ma'am, we have to write grammar part and vocabulary part also.
Yes, we have so